What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we have a lot of bullish and bearish news related to this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, right after we hit this top at $2.63 price point. And at this point I've told you that I couldn't count the 5-wave structure in the 5th wave. And I've told you that we had decent chances to have one more small leg to the upside that will complete the entire 5th wave. And it happened. As you can see, we have this top as our 5th wave. And from the Elliott wave perspective, we have this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth and fifth, and I have to downgrade the scale, and boom, we have completed all 5-wave structure. And because of this price action we completed the entire 3rd wave, and from this bottom to this top we have to have a retracement. So congratulations to all of you who took my call and who made, depending on your entry point, up to 64% during just 3 sessions. And in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, this company didn't publish any more news. All of the news that drives the price of this company was published from February 28th till March 17th. And definitely we already priced in this news, and we also don't have any major news directly related to this asset from other sources. But we have very strong support from the retail community, and on stocktweets.com website we have MULN ticker symbol on the 3rd place on the watchers section, and on the most active section we have this ticker symbol on the 1st place. This means this asset definitely has a support from the retail community. On top of that, the Wall Street Bets community also supports this asset, and on appwisdom.io website we have Mullen Automotive on the 3rd place, and it gained 2 rows during last 24 hours. And definitely, as you can see on this chart, the momentum is still very high, but it is diminishing. And definitely we have to be very cautious with this asset. On top of that, let me show you that a lot of YouTubers made a lot of videos about this asset, and the price targets are mind-blowing: $23, $15, $20. And definitely it is the total sentiment of the market, and it is the pure PR of the stock as a meme stock for now. And let's continue with some interesting details. First of all, let me show you the short interest of this asset, and for now we have 1.8 million shares available for shorting. And previously, on my previous video, I've showed you that this number was not more than 750,000 shares. So we have increase in number of available shares. And the short borrow fee rate is 13.07. Definitely it is not the highest one, and in my opinion we cannot count on the short squeeze of the stock in upcoming sessions. On top of that, let me show you that David Mishery, let me show you right here, on March 18th made this filing that on March 16th he sold 200,000 shares of MULN, and he made about $330,000 with this sale. So it is not the huge position that he sold. He owns, let me show you right here, he owns more than 8.1 million shares of this company. But still, it is not the best sign from the fundamental standpoint. So it is what it is. I just want to pay your attention on different details in order to you could make your own conclusion about this ticker. And definitely you cannot count on this asset as your long-term perspective because their numbers are not so great. I have to say that they don't have enough money to operate on upcoming months and years. And definitely from the investor standpoint, they have a lot to do in order to produce their first vehicles. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we completed all 5 wave structure inside this wave, and definitely we might have the retracement from this bottom to this top if it is the structure of 5 waves to the upside. And in this case, we should have something like this. This is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth somewhere here, and fifth to be determined in the future. But we also have the possibility to have this movement to the upside as our ABC correction, because A wave should have a shape of 5 or 3 wave structure, and we have 5 waves in it. Then B wave should have a shape of 3 wave structure, and we have these 3 waves. And the C wave should have a 5 wave structure, and we completed all 5 waves. And if it is the case, definitely we will see lower prices for this asset for the longer period of time. But for now, from the technical standpoint, I have to say that we have more chances to hit lower targets, and definitely right here it is not the best point where you can add to your position with this asset, because I have to say that technically we have a lot of support from retail community, but fundamentally this company doesn't have any news that might drive the price of this company higher. That's why, in my opinion, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, and from this bottom to this top we have following levels. Definitely we have the range of 0.5 at roughly $2 as the confluence in between 3 or 4 signs. First of all, it is 0.5, it is an algo target from which we might have a trend reversal. Next one, it is the confluence with the $2 price point, and it is the psychological number. And then we have the top of our previous wave. If it is the first wave, we have the top exactly at the same range, and pretty much we have the top of our internal third wave almost at the same level. This means 0.5 level at the price point of $2 might be a very good accumulation point if and only if we will have next leg to the upside. But for now it is very risky to enter any position at the ranges of 0.236 and 0.382. Definitely I might be completely wrong, and from this range we might hit higher targets, but I don't think that it is the most probable outcome. Definitely we have this possibility, but it is not so probable. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. I will do another update on this asset in just several sessions in order to stay in line with my forecast. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught.